by, by selecting these kind of topics. But as sir told me that you have to say something regarding body language. Body language means that, awareness. Like if you're in a presentation, if you're in a company and you are just giving a presentation in front of your board of directors, so if you're not using your body language, it means that if you're having a frown face, so in front of somebody, if you're showing your frown face, it means that you are not happy with that. If you are using your happy face, it means that you are absolutely glad and happy and generous with that atmosphere which you are confronting and which you are doing a face of. Body language sense that what makes you innovative, what makes you exceptionally unique, and you must be having innovative thinking if you are using these kind of body languages, like hand movement, like facial expressions, like everything, whatever you want to say. What will be the happiest moment for everyone if they will use these kind of techniques to build their impression in front of somebody in a very professional and like adopting a professionalism, because these conducts are mandatorily disciplined, are compulsorily disciplined in your livelihood. Very possible that you will, by using body language, you will, there won't be a smooth path. I'm not saying there will be a smooth path. There will be so many patent starts will come. But you have to shape yourself according to that atmosphere, and then you will be able to make yourself competent for that status quo, and that is crucial. Body language means that you are just expressing yourself with your body. Body language shows your enthusiasm. Body language shows your confidence. Body language shows your impartiality. Body language shows your crystal clear image in front of somebody. Body language means that you are expressing somebody, you are expressing yourself 100%, 50% by your expressions, and the remaining 50%, because there are two segments in the 100%. Then the remaining 50% you are just using your body language, like shaking hands, like frown faces, like eye contact. If you are not maintaining eye contact, it means that you are not having a confidence in yourself that you will be able to do something in your life. And that is crucial. Eye contact is must. Your confidence level is must. A smiling face is must. Enthusiasm is must. And these are the basic necessary needs which makes you confident and which makes you enthusiastic to achieve anything in your life. Just make yourself unique from the street corner, because in the street addresses there are so many people you will see who have, they are having no goals. Just become self-independent. Just make yourself a sovereign state and make this country a sovereign state. Sovereign state refers for that if you are having an independent country, where there is having an independent dominated control. So make yourself a sovereign human. Don't be dependent on anybody. Just make your confidence level enhance and boost up. Because there will be so many bystanders in the road, in the street. There will be so many passerby will come in your life. And they will make you negative that you don't need to use these kind of techniques. These kind of techniques are useless. These kind of words are useless. You don't need to become a workaholic. But you don't need to go away. Because if you know you are on right track, you don't need to use and you don't need to see the slow walk. You need to just do your walk. It doesn't matter whether it is a night time, whether it is a first day of light, whether it is a mid-afternoon or whether it is an evening. You have 24 hours, 365 days in a year, 24 hours and 7 days in a week. And if you are saying, by using body language, if you are saying that I won't be able to succeed, it means that you are the most useless person which the world which ever see. Everybody have a crisis in their lives. A diplomatic crisis, a political crisis, a personal crisis, a financial crisis. Everybody have a crisis. But you don't need to make yourself weak in front of those crises. Because if you can't do a face-off, you won't be able to take a single step forward in your life. Life is struggle. And there is a winning and losing situation. I know that, I disassociated myself from the topic, body language. I don't think so that there is something else in this particular criteria like body language. So sir, please give me some other topic. Today, I took the class in the morning regarding the multi-crore scam, Augusta Western multi-crore scam, which is done by the Air Chief Marshal, and he was accused of the procurement. You know about it? In every department, in this bureaucracy and in this bureaucratic life, in every department, there is a corruption. Every department, in every government every government department, there is a corruption. Perpetrators are just doing their work by doing multi-crore scandals, and many of the military officers, many of the bureaucrats, whether it is a income tax office, whether it is a public office, whether it is anything. If you talk about the mango people, they can only earn 5,000, 10,000, 25,000, 30,000 in a month. And what about those? They used to do 300 crores, 500 crores, 700 crores, 900 crores scam. You can't even imagine the amount. I'm not saying that you need to adopt the wrong way, but I'm saying that why our administration is acting like helpless. Why our administration is in slumber. Why they are not doing anything. Why they are making us helpless also. And why they used to say that we will give you a subsidy, and they used to do a direct cash transfer instead of giving them a specific facility and precautions to the people. Why they are just making an official fool of the people by doing corruption, by doing scams. And then you will see no hesitation in their faces while confronting with the media and while confronting with the spokesperson, and they will say without any hesitation, yes, they are corrupt. Yes, they are corrupt. And you can't do anything. We know very well how to tackle the situation. And you will remain in that particular place where you are right now. 4,000, 5,000, 10,000, 25,000, 30,000. Not more than that. So this is not a pendulum. This is a one-side game which they used to play. And they are unanimous in their work. They are unanimous. All the corrupt people are unanimous. But all the good people are not. That's right.
They are not united.
They are not united. You can just see there a fanatical patriotism, a jealousy of patriotism that they don't want to do, and they don't want to do anything about the nations, for the nations. They don't want to do by the nation, for the nation, to the nations. But what about our mango people? They don't want to wake up from their slumber. Media persons is giving them a wake up call. But they have a concentration in Yo-Yo Honey Singh, in all these kind of Bollywood stars, in all these kind of Bollywood celebrities and their enjoyment. But the focal point is that if you can't concentrate now, you won't be able to control these kind of situations. Thank you very much.
हाँ बच्चों, कैसा लगा? बाकी रियल हीरो है पल्ला का। आने वाले वक्त में इसे फरीदाबाद का बना देंगे और फिर भगवान ने चाहा आप सबका सहयोग रहा तो पूरे हिंदुस्तान का ही बना देंगे। एक बार स्पीकर मैंने जोरदार कर लिया। और मेरा तो कंट्रीब्यूशन, मैं तो चाहता हूँ हर बच्चा, एक एक बच्चे को, शायद ही कोई ऐसा स्कूल होगा जो एक एक बच्चे की परफॉर्मेंस स्टेज के ऊपर देता हो। कोई स्कूल हिंदुस्तान में ऐसा नहीं है। और मैं चाहता हूं कि हमारा एक एक बच्चा स्टेज के ऊपर आए, चाहे वो छोटा है चाहे वो बड़ा है। नाउ इज द टर्न ऑफ राहुल। राहुल, प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज।
टन 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 घंटा बोला, टन 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 घंटा बोला, चपड़ा सिंह ने बात खोल, सब बच्चों ने शोर बचाया, आंटी जी ने गुस्सा, आंटी जी को गुस्सा आया, आंटी जी ने चढ़ी उठाया, सब बच्चों की करी सुता। Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. When the blazing sun is gone, when there is nothing sign of us, then you show your little light. Twinkle twinkle all the night, twinkle twinkle all the night. Brush 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 your teeth, brushing every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brushing every day. Hey, brush 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 your teeth, brushing every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brushing every day. Hey, wash 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 your face, washing every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, washing every day. Hey, wash 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 your face, washing every day.